Welcome back, YouTube. I just wanted to make this quick video to let everyone know that has asked me that if you want to run a catch can inline with your AOS, how do you do it, and how do you use the AN fittings like I use. And I was going to go ahead and show you guys that, since I am going to change it out with a new AOS. Since I got the car used and haven't done that, I'm going to replace the AOS and the O-ring, and I'll add the part numbers to the O-ring up in the So this is the new AOS already installed. It's pretty straightforward. You take off this hose with a pair of pliers, pull this hose that goes to the intake off. I've already modified mine, took out the PCV valve and I ran a AN line into here with a it's a 3/8 by 18 NPT. Run that tap in there, get the threads set, and then put your AN fitting in there, and then you can run your AN line. This is a rubber AN line to the catch can. This catch can was empty. I created my own baffling system, which I'll post some pictures up, maybe make a quick video on that if you're interested in that. But then from the outsource, it goes up into a check valve, and then from the check valve, it goes back into the intake manifold. I try to stay away from using the clamps, the worm clamps, as much as possible, and use these like single tab eared connections, because for one, they're a lot more secure and they don't come loose over time. So once that's done, then I mean, it's permanent. Unless you want to cut it off, you'll have to get another band to replace it with. So my catch can came empty. What I did is I took it apart, created a baffling system. It comes out of the AOS down a tube that is perforated. The tube goes to about 1.5 inches above the bottom. And then this is the hose that goes to the intake manifold. As it sucks air up, it is filtered out. So all the heavy oil gets caught by the filtering system in here. And then you're left with mostly cleaner air vapors. Now you're not gonna get all the oil out, but it's better than nothing.